Your dog is staring at you right now, not because it's bored, not because it wants food. Scientists believe your dog is actually studying you, reading your face, judging your mood, deciding whether you're worth trusting today. And here's the uncomfortable part. It's not just dogs. Crows remember your face for years. Elephants can tell when you're sad. And certain fish, they've been caught recognizing human faces with nearly perfect accuracy. Animals are watching us far more carefully than we ever imagined. So here's the real question. What do they actually think of us? Drop a comment below. Do you think animals see humans as friends, threats, or just giant food dispensers? Let's see what everyone says. Because what science has discovered will seriously mess with how you look at your pet tonight. For most of human history, we assumed animals lived in a kind of mental fog. They ate, they slept, they ran from predators. End of story. We told ourselves that real thinking, real judgment, was a human thing. Animals were just running on instinct, like little biological robots with fur or feathers. But here's the problem with that theory. The more scientists actually tested it, the more it fell apart. And what they found instead is something nobody was fully prepared for. Most people think animals see humans as one of two things: either a food source, the big creature that magically produces dinner, or a predator. Something to run from. And honestly, that makes sense on the surface. You walk toward a pigeon, it flies away. You shake the treat bag, your dog goes insane. Seems pretty simple, right? We assume animals respond to us the way a smoke alarm responds to fire. No real thinking involved, just stimulus and reaction. But that assumption has one massive, embarrassing flaw. It ignores the fact that animals have been quietly building detailed mental files on every human they meet. Here's where it gets weird. Crows don't just recognize human faces, they gossip about them. In one study, researchers wore specific masks while trapping crows. Months later, crows that had never even been trapped would dive bomb those same mask wearers on sight. They had been warned by other crows about a specific human face. Let that sink in for a second. A crow told another crow, "Hey, watch out for that guy." And it gets stranger. Elephants in Africa can distinguish between human languages. They behave differently around groups known to hunt them versus groups that leave them alone, even when both groups look similar. They're not just reacting, they're categorizing us, building mental databases of safe humans and dangerous humans, and updating them constantly. Which raises a terrifying follow-up question: what category are you in? So how do animals actually process humans? The short answer is, way more sophisticatedly than we gave them credit for. Animals use a combination of smell, body language, sound, and memory to build a picture of who you are. Dogs, for example, can smell cortisol, the stress hormone. When you're anxious, your dog knows, before you even say a word, before you even move. They're essentially reading an emotional broadcast you didn't know you were sending. Rats have been shown to feel empathy. In experiments, free rats would consistently work to free trapped rats, even when they had to share their own food to do it. And octopuses, yes. Octopuses have been documented holding grudges against specific lab workers who handled them roughly, spraying water at them, turning away when they approached. A creature with no spine, no long-term memory in the traditional sense, still somehow kept track of who was rude to it. The science is clear. Animals aren't just reacting to human. They're reacting to you specifically, personally, individually. Here's the part that genuinely no one saw coming. Some animals appear to like humans, not because we feed them, not because they've been tamed, but because they find us interesting. Wild dolphins have been repeatedly observed approaching humans with no food reward, just apparently curious about what these weird, slow-swimming creatures are doing in the water. Some crow populations have been documented leaving gifts for specific humans who fed them. Buttons, shiny bottle caps, a lost earring, deliberately placed where the human would find them. A crow, choosing to say thank you. But here's the most unsettling piece of all. Researchers studying animal behavior have started asking a question in reverse. Not, what do animals think of humans? But what do animals think of humans compared to each other? And the emerging answer is genuinely humbling. Many animals, elephants, dolphins, great apes, appear to see humans as a strange, unpredictable, occasionally fascinating species that cannot be fully trusted. Basically, to the animal kingdom, we are the weird ones. We're loud. We smell like chemicals. We behave inconsistently. We make bizarre sounds at glowing rectangles for hours. From the outside looking in, humans are deeply confusing creatures. And the fact that so many animals choose to trust us anyway, that says something. Here's what all of this comes down to. Animals are not passive objects in our world. They are active observers with opinions, memories, and emotional responses, including toward you, personally. The crow remembers your face. The elephant reads your body language. The dog monitors your stress levels in real time. We spent centuries assuming animals were simple. Turns out, they've been studying us the whole time. And the smartest thing you can do with that information is treat every animal like it's paying attention. Because it is. So, do you think animals judge us? I think honestly, yes. And I think we've earned it. Drop your answer in the comments. And if this video made you look sideways at your pet, smash the like button and subscribe, because we've got more videos that'll make you question everything you thought you knew about the world around you. See you in the next one.